Welcome back. This is our final video in the Prompt Engineering 101 series. We are ending with the technique that most people miss because they treat AI as a one-shot tool. It is called iterative refinement, and it is how professionals actually use these tools. Let us go to the screen. Iterative refinement means treating your conversation with an AI as a genuine back and forth, just as you would with a human collaborator. You do not need to get it perfect in one prompt, you guide it step by step. Let me show you. I will write an initial email draft, review the output, and then refine it in the same conversation. Write a professional follow-up email to a potential client after an initial discovery call. Good. Now, make the opening line more specific, reference that we discussed their team onboarding challenges. Also, shorten the email by 20% and add the clear call to action at the end. See how we kept the good parts and precisely adjusted what was not right. You do not need to start over. You guide the AI toward what you actually need, one step at a time. This is how professionals use AI tools, not in one shot, but as a collaborative drafting process. So, to bring the whole series together, a strong prompt has 4 elements: role, context, task, and format. And the 6 techniques we covered: structured prompts give the AI everything it needs upfront. Role prompting assign a persona to calibrate tone and depth. Few-shot prompting show examples instead of describing your style. Chain of thought ask the AI to show its reasoning for analytical tasks. Format control specify the output shape before you generate. Iterative refinement treat AI as a collaborator, not as a one-shot tool. These are the foundations of working effectively with any AI tool, and they apply whether you are using Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or anything that comes next. If you find this series useful, I would love it if you subscribed. There is much more to come. In the next video, we are going to look at NotebookLM, a research tool from Google that lets you upload your own documents and have a conversation with them. It is genuinely impressive, and I will walk you through every key feature. I'm Oliver from Gooseberry AI. That is everything for this series. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.